Hello guys, my name is Ali. On this channel we talk about making money online. If this is something you're interested in, hit that subscribe button and continue on watching. What I'm trying to do over here is I'm using GohighLevel. It's my agency software. It's my CRM. I do everything under there: email marketing, SMS marketing, build websites, everything you need to do as far as running an agency or a business, building website, building funnels. It's all done under one roof. If you're interested, the link's going to be in the description. But today's tutorial is going to be about one little tidbit. What I do over here, I do a lot of affiliate marketing. So I'm going to go into this in my websites. I have this one website. I just use individual pages here. As you guys can see, I have 12 pages. So if I would open up this one here, give it a second, let it load here. This is my first affiliate page. Let me view it so you guys can have an idea what it looks like. On this particular page, I'm promoting GohighLevel. I need to work on it. This is just infant stages. It's pretty generic. It's just a squeeze page. So, but today's video is going to be about one particular topic. If you, hold on, let me duplicate this page here. I'm going to go ahead and duplicate the tab so I can open up another link. What you want to do here, you want to make sure you're in the right space over here, not in a sub account. Make sure you're in agency admin. What you want to do, you want to go under automations. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about here in a second. Affiliate workflows. So basically, if somebody visits, let me go back real quick here. So I got these 12 pages over here. If somebody visits any of these pages and opt in, all their contact will show right here, okay? You go under contacts and it will show you everybody that visited these pages. But what we're trying to do over here, we're trying to put tags. You see these tags over here? This one has a tag, this one has a tag, but the rest of them doesn't. So in order for us to do that, we would need to go under workflow over here, under automation, and we would go under workflow, and I have a bunch of workflows over here. I have high ticket 1, high ticket 2, 3, 4, 5. So some of these workflows are a little more complex than others, but let's just pick out a real cheap generic one here. Let's look at this one real quick. This one, high ticket 7. So what this one does, it allows you to add a tag. So first thing you want to do, you want to come in here and name your the workflow. This one, high ticket 7. And what we want to do, actually, if we come back here, go to sites, and then you go under websites, squeeze pages, come down here. So the last one that I have in my workflow is high ticket 8. Let's look at 8 real quick. I'll explain this in a second, guys. I know it's a little confusing right now. This particular workflow has 3 steps in it. It would tag whoever visits the page, send them an SMS, and also sends an email. But what I'm trying to do right now is just one single thing. I'm trying to just add a tag to everybody that visits a website, okay? So let's pick out here number high ticket 7. We're gonna go ahead and clone it right here. We're gonna call it, we have to come back here. That's high ticket 7, number 8's already done. Let's do number 9. So this one's gonna be high ticket number 9. We're gonna copy that. We're gonna come back here and name this workflow high ticket 9. So we're gonna go down here. Oh, Dino, yeah. Dino. Okay. So this way we know what websites or what squeeze page is connected to. So here's what we got. We cloned 7. We cloned this workflow, which is real simple workflow. All we did is we changed the name. We're gonna come down here. We're gonna edit it, and we're gonna come back over here. Okay, we named it High Ticket 9. Okay, Dino. So we're gonna over here. The first step, first action we're gonna do when somebody submits a form. We're gonna come down here. We're gonna select. We have to select the right form. Since this one's High Ticket 9, we need to come down here. I know for those of you guys that are brand new to this, you're probably thinking, what the hell is he talking about? But once you get into the CRM and you start using it, it's pretty powerful. This high level can really do so much for you. I am really amazed. I just started using it a few months ago, and I absolutely love the software. I mean, you can do everything in one place. So all right, so we need to find the form that says High Ticket Dino, High Ticket Product Dino. So we have to come down here. Commission, do it yourself, high level, high ticket, or live tiny. I don't know why I have 2. I have to get rid of these forms here. M1 Finance, onboarding, Dino. There we go. So Product Dino. As soon as somebody visits this form, we're gonna go ahead and save it, okay? Save the trigger, make sure you save it. And as soon as somebody comes in, we're gonna tag them, okay? We're gonna come down here, we're gonna change this tag to, we're gonna tag them, what are we gonna tag them? We're gonna say high ticket, I'm gonna copy this here. We're going to copy the exact same one. Click on add tag right here and then type it in. And we're going to say add new tag. There it is. So now let's go ahead and save the action. And we're going to save it again here. And we're going to come back over here and this is saved. Workflow has been saved. Let's close out of that. And make sure you publish it. Hit save. So now when I visit the landing page, which is number 7, we come back here, 7, where's 7? No, I'm sorry, that's number 9. Where is it? Yeah, high ticket 9. So if I go to visit page number 9, which is this one here, if you guys want to try high level for 3 days, I'm sorry, not 3 days, 2 weeks. 2 weeks, guys. You get 2 weeks for free. The link's going to be below. Be more than happy. I'll be happy to share with you guys my link. I do get a little kickback for it, but if you guys have any questions, you can always ask me and call me and text me, and you can jump onto my YouTube channel and just ask any question. I'll be more than happy to help you guys. But anyway, so now when somebody comes in and visit the squeeze page over here, you can come down here, like they come in and they fill out their information. So I just got some generic information over here, and let me change the email address a little bit here. By the way, when it comes to Gmail, you can have the exact